You can expect a lot from the 2020 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.